Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm doing my first Dollar Tree haul. So my good friend Tyler Ramey suggested these right here, so I'm gonna try them out since I love pineapple. So let's see what it's about. Let's see. Okay, that's pretty good. It's like pineapple chips. Pretty good. I should have got me a soda to clean my mouth out, but I'm doing keto. I'm entering my second week of doing keto. Trying to get this fat boy off of me. But we're gonna make it through, okay? Next, I also found by Tyler Ramey that I was interested in trying. Let's see how they go. Let's see. It's more like a popcorn than a chip, but it still tastes good. So this is definitely a good snack. The one bag is one serving, which is 240 calories. Carbs are 33 grams. So, but there is 4 grams of protein in here. So, not a good snack for keto, but it's Sunday. We can cheat a little bit. So hey. Next, I love these. I've already had these, so I already know what they taste like. So I need to try these out. But these, if you like a sour little something, these are good for that. Okay. Next, so that I can help myself drink more water, I have the sugar-free A&Ws. Love these. They taste exactly like root beer without the fizz, so definitely a good substitute to put in your water. One packet is 10 calories, 0 fat, 0 sodium, 2 grams of carbohydrates, no added sugars, and 0 protein. So it's a good water enhancer. Next, we have the Whalers. I've had this brand before, not this actual flavor, but it was okay. So let's see how this goes with this one right here. And then next I have the beef jerky peppered. I love these right here. These are the best snack. One package is 60 calories, total fats 1.5 grams, no saturated fat, no trans fat, excuse me. Sodium is 310 micrograms, so I guess it's not too bad. Then it's 5 carbohydrates and no dietary fiber, and 5 grams of sugars, and then it's 6 grams of protein. So pretty good snack. A car just pulled next to me. I don't know why they're taking so long to get out, but I do love his shoes. He got some Adidas. They're like red and, well, black and red, I should say. I love red. Red's my favorite color, because you couldn't tell. So yeah, this is my first YouTube video. I have been thinking about it for a while now. Some of the people that I like to watch is Donna's Journey, Tyler Ramey. He also has a vlog eating channel, plus he's just started a workout channel as well, so check him out with that. I think it's capital YT Fit, all one word. Some other words is Amy at Away Girl, Amy Maish. I love watching her channels, and her sister, DQ. I think I said that right. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think her channel is called DQ some. And then Tanya Lady T, she's also another one that I watch a lot. Tennessee North, she does a lot of good cooking videos. I love watching hers. I don't know, shit, that's pretty much the main ones that I watch on a regular basis. I love to watch them at night when it's time to go to bed. You know, I play them through the night, help them get their numbers up. You know, like support. So definitely do that. But yeah, so this is my first video. Not as bad as I thought it would be, but hey, we'll see. But I will probably try to do more hauls. And maybe just some day in the life videos. I'm really a quiet guy, I really don't talk too much. That's why I was kind of hesitant on making a YouTube channel, because I'm really not a man of many words most times. So I don't know, I thought about doing mukbangs, but I'm a fat boy, and fat boys and eating on camera, I don't know, that's gonna be a good idea. But I might try it out, and you guys just tell me how you think about it. All right, peace. Till next time.